Hello, today we are going to teach you how to use the HItens and Hiems on the Tecar 4S Pro machines. So let's first adjust the handles. As you can see, these three types is the monopolar HIT. So you better can choose the handle with this HIT handles or the other two types of handles on here. And about the connector, the HIT connector is red color, so you might connect it here, and the other is the negative plate. It's yellow color, so you can connect to here. Okay, that's it. And for this negative plate, you can stick on the back of the disconnect and turn back to the machine screen. Let's first show you about the HItens. First, click here, and it means you choose the HItens. And we will have two models. One is static and the other is the dynamic. Let's first show you about the static models. And for this is the heating of the HItens. The best recommendation is the about 10%. And here you can adjust the frequencies like 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 25. And here you can select the body resistance system. Adjust the handle you are using, and press here to start and put some gels on the cloth and touch here, move slowly. When you hear the beep sound, that means the machine is working.
Amazing.
And if you don't want the heating feeling, you can choose here to about 5%. And then we will adjust the dynamic models. When you hear the beep sound, that means the machine is working. Okay, so now the next, let's teach you how to use the Hiems. Hiems is also the same as the HItens, so you can also press here. That means you choose the Hiems. And for the models, our Hiems frequency is about 1500 Hz to 4000 Hz, and we will have about 15 models for setting for you. The best recommendation, first, we can use the auto one. And here, it is the power of the Hiems. From the beginning, we usually choose about 20%. And press here. So now the clinic is obvious feeling. And next, we will talk about the difference between the Hiems and HItens. And first, HItens is a low frequencies which range from 2 Hz to 25 Hz, which will has beaten feelings. And for the Hiems, the frequencies is the medium frequencies, medium colors, like the frequency range from 1500 Hz to 4000 Hz, which will have a muscle contraction feelings. So this is the difference between the high tense and high EMS. And for the machines, we can also choose the high tense and high EMS for alternative working.